It's time for CSS Wrapped 2025, and one of my top feature picks this year is CSS custom functions. Functions make it a lot easier to architect your CSS in a very clean and expressive way. Let's take a look at this example of a CSS custom function for a conditionally rounded border radius. It adjusts the border radius so that it actually removes the radius as you get closer to the viewport edge to avoid this kind of awkward in-between. It's pretty neat. So first you use @function to start the function definition, and let's give it a name calling it conditional radius. This function takes two arguments, the radius and the edge distance, which is the distance from the edge that you want to start removing the radius, and that is 4 pixels by default. This means that our function can take either 1 or 2 arguments. You can either just give it a radius, or you can optionally give it an edge distance if you don't want to use the default value of 4 pixels. This function also has a result block, which uses the clamp function and some of our values here, like the edge distance and radius, to do some math and return a result. But you don't even have to know what's going on here because the way that you use this function is much more straightforward. You would just use it by calling the function name, like so, with conditional radius, and giving it the value for the radius, and optionally the edge distance. This is just one of many great architectural updates that landed in CSS this year. And we have so many other great updates like if statements, range syntax for style queries, and even speaking of border radius, the corner shape property. Check out CSS Wrapped on chrome.dev/CSS Wrapped 2025 to learn more and learn about all of the great CSS and UI features that landed in Chrome this year.